Replacing your home's doors may seem like a straightforward project, but for Dallas homeowners, professional installation is one of the most important factors in ensuring long-lasting performance, comfort, and security. From the region's intense summer heat to seasonal storms and fluctuating humidity, Dallas's climate demands doors that are installed with precision. A poorly installed door can lead to air leaks, reduced energy efficiency, and costly repairs, issues that homeowners can easily avoid by choosing expert installation. Here's why professional installation matters when upgrading to replacement doors in Dallas. Ensures a perfect, weather-tight fit. The most critical part of door installation is creating a proper seal between the door and the frame. With North Texas weather bringing scorching heat, unexpected storms, and strong winds, even the smallest gap can let outside air leak in and conditioned air escape. A professional installer ensures the frame is square and level, the door fits snugly with no gaps or misalignments. Proper weather stripping is applied, thresholds are sealed tightly, the door remains secure against air and water infiltration. This precise attention to detail helps keep your Dallas home comfortable year-round while reducing energy waste. Maximizes energy efficiency in hot Dallas summer. Summers in Dallas are notoriously hot, often stretching well above 100 degrees. A poorly installed door can let warm air seep inside, forcing your air conditioner to work harder and driving up your cooling costs. Professional installers understand how to properly position insulated doors, install energy-efficient glass panels, apply thermal barriers, ensure airtight seals. This improves energy efficiency and helps maintain stable indoor temperatures, even during intense heat waves. Prevents damage from moisture and storms. Dallas homes are no strangers to heavy rain, strong winds, and occasional hailstorms. Improperly installed doors can leave your home vulnerable to moisture intrusion, which can lead to warped or rotting door frames, mold and mildew growth, damaged flooring or drywall, compromised structural integrity. Professional installation uses waterproofing techniques, flashing, and sealants that protect your home from moisture-related damage, ensuring your door lasts for years. Enhances safety and security. Your entry and patio doors play an important role in protecting your home and family. A door that is even slightly out of alignment may not lock properly, leaving your home more vulnerable to intruders. Professional installers ensure locks and deadbolts align perfectly, frames are anchored securely, impact-resistant or steel doors are properly reinforced, hinges are installed with maximum security in mind. With expert installation, you can feel confident that your replacement doors are providing the highest level of protection. Ensures smooth, reliable operation. A replacement door should open and close effortlessly, but without proper installation, doors may stick, drag, or become unbalanced over time. This is especially common in Dallas homes where temperature fluctuations can cause materials to expand and contract. Professional installers know how to balance the door correctly, adjust hinges and thresholds, calibrate the swing or slide mechanism, ensure long-lasting performance. This not only improves daily convenience but also extends the lifespan of your door. Protects your warranty and investment. Many high-quality replacement doors come with manufacturer warranties, but only if they are installed by certified professionals. De-installation or inexperienced installers can void warranties, leaving you unprotected if issues arise later. By choosing professional installation, Dallas homeowners maintain valid product warranties, coverage for repairs or replacements, peace of mind that their investment is protected. This alone makes expert installation well worth the cost. Saves time, stress, and future repair costs. Installing a replacement door may seem simple, but it involves careful measurements, specialized tools, and knowledge of construction principles. Professional installers complete the job quickly, correctly, and without disrupting your home. Plus, expert installation helps you avoid costly mistakes such as improper sealing, hardware issues, frame alignment problems, air or water leaks. The result is a smooth, worry-free upgrade that adds value to your Dallas home. A smart choice for Dallas homeowners. Replacement doors offer major benefits: better energy efficiency, enhanced curb appeal, and improved security. But these benefits can only be fully realized with professional installation. By trusting experienced installers, Dallas homeowners get long-lasting performance, maximum comfort, and true peace of mind. If you're ready to upgrade your doors, choosing professional installation is the smartest step you can take to protect your home and your investment.